Okay guys, finally got the box in the mail. It just arrived on January 16th, 428 days after I placed my order on Indiegogo, or I should say backed it. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, open up the box. There is some foam in here, and a watch. Not two watches. So I ordered two watches. One was engraved and one was not. Somebody said in a different post that theirs actually would say their name on it. So mine does. So yay. So this is the engraved one. The one I ordered as an additional silver for my fiance apparently is not here. So let's open this up. Okay, protective plastic is off. It has just this little shelf stand on it, which actually doesn't matter because it slides right off. And then we have the, sorry for the low light conditions in here, the matrix box. I'm doing this one-handed because yay. And we have the watch with signatures and all kinds of fun stuff. And I might need another hand for this. Foam. Okay, cool. And another mystery box, which is, I have no idea. Let's open it up and find out. Paper, what I always wanted. Okay, so this looks like more paper. We got imagine a manual of some kind. We got don't sue us. We got a additional manual. Same as the owner, I have no idea. And a limited product warranty. Don't microwave it, kids. A little plastic baggie with a tool. That's cool. And a little cloth of some kind. Spiffy. Get this thing off the foam. Can he do it? He can. Oh, fail. I gotta get the thing off anyway. Alright, I'm gonna stop this, get the strap off, and be right back. Okay, so now I got the watch finally out of the packaging. Now, something I find kind of interesting is the size. People always talk about how huge it is and how it's really bad for them. So on my wrist already is a solar powered watch that I've had for many years. This I've traveled around the world with. I've lived in Ghana and West Africa for a year and never had to worry about power. And in fact, it still says that it's a high charge. Works amazingly. Gives me the tide, which is pretty awesome, and the moon phases, which is really cool. It looks like we have a new moon tonight. So yeah, so this watch is slightly larger, though yeah, a little slightly larger. Thickness wise, they're almost the same as far as thickness goes. Yeah, not bad. So I was initially really worried that this would be too big, because some people have really itty bitty tiny wrists, and I just thought it'd be too much. But anyway, this one should be a good fit. I already wear my watch on the inside of my wrist. They said that they would wear them on the inside of the wrist because you'll get more heat, which would make more power. So I thought, well, okay, that's kind of nice. But yeah, so let's try to get the app out and power it up and pair. And I don't know if I can do that at the same time, but we'll see. Okay, right back. I should probably point out that I need to read the manual. This manual here was just kind of like, I don't know, instructions in different languages and or don't eat the thing. I'm not sure which. The manual itself, talking about with the mode button, the scroll knob, the set button, hold, set 1 second, pair with your smartphone, which I need to do now. I already got the app downloaded, and I know there's a new firmware that's supposed to be coming out soon. I'm just happy that because I have an Android phone, I'm really glad that there's a Android app for it, finally. Real-time energy harvesting, yay. Optimal charging conditions, sitting, walking, and running. I think they posted that graph online somewhere before. power save mode. The backside has all of the how do you do it. So tracking activity, the running mode, the sync data to your smartphone, the stopwatch, sleep tracking mode, which I was really interested in. I really hope they get that to be automatic sleep tracking, because pushing a button every night is going to suck. Support has different sites that you can go to with the PowerWatch.com page, and a regulatory statement I'm probably not going to read. Okay, so I'm going to go try to pair this thing up and be right back. Okay, so I pushed these top and bottom buttons at the same time. As the instruction says, hold it for 1 second. And it said matrix, and it says welcome, press set to pair. So let's go to the next step. Okay, that was far longer than it needed to be. Basically, I forgot that I used a different email account for my registration to get into the app. Basically, it has you follow the same steps here, where you turn it on, hit the set, but you got to hit next on the screen, otherwise it won't progress to actually pair the device. After it's paired, they have you hit the set button down here, and then it'll sync with your phone to pull out the current date and time. The device itself, usually I have things in 24-hour time, as you can see on my other watch. I set it to 24-hour time on here, and it didn't sync. So I guess I have to actually run it to sync it to actually have it change. My fiance pointed out a really good point, which is the back of this is not engraved. So I ordered 2 watches. One was engraved with my name on it. The other one was not. So this is actually her watch, not mine. Mine is still being engraved, apparently. I have no idea what happened to it or where it is, and I really hope somebody from Matrix can get back to me and find out what happened to the other half of my order. Other than that, I wanted to put out a video real fast, just basically showing off the watch real quick. It does use a standard watch band that you can get online. The build quality is very solid. It's got a nice little heft to it. But yeah, definitely don't give up hope. A lot of people are getting their watches right now, and you'll have it before you know it. So thank you guys for watching, and looking forward to you guys' own reviews when you get the watches soon.